Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Delicious Cravings. Magluluto na naman tayo, and I'm excited to have you here with me in the kitchen once more. Today's video, gagawa tayo ng nachos using Kangkong Chips. Talaga namang pinahealthy ang version ko na ito. Kaya simulan na natin! Sa isang lalagyan, combine all the dry ingredients listed in this recipe. 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, salt, and pepper according to your taste. I use onion powder, and again, this is optional, but you can actually use garlic powder or they can be eliminated anyway. Ngayon, dahan-dahan nating ilagay ang 3/4 cup of cold water, add an egg white into the mixture, stirring continuously until a smooth batter forms. Now, lutuin na natin siya sa frying pan. Ilubog lang natin ang kangkong leaves into the batter, ensuring that they are well coated. Sa paglalagay, make sure na hindi siya magkakalapit. Medyo ilayo natin siya para iwasang na magkadikit-dikit kagaya na nakikita nyo sa video na ito. At para madali rin siyang kumain. Now, once cooked, remove the kangkong chips from the oil and humanap ka ng lalagyan na pwedeng tuluan niya para naman ma-drain yung excess oil. Just repeat the process until all kangkong leaves are fried. Now, for the Mayo Garlic Dip, sa isang maliit na lalagyan, combine 1 cup mayonnaise, 2 cloves of minced garlic. Take note, pwede mo pang damihan ng garlic if you decide for a stronger flavor. Now, season this with salt, pepper, sugar, vinegar, and then again, according to your taste. Add natin ang 2.5 tablespoon of evaporated milk. Again, naglagay ako ng onion powder. Again, this is optional. I just want to enhance the flavor. So, haluin lang natin until all are well combined. I added some dried parsley to add a distinct flavor. Now, it's time for plating. For my nacho ingredients, syempre niluto ko na yung ground pork. You can choose between beef or tuna. And then, add your cut veggies like cucumber, white onion, tomatoes. Sa black olives pala, this is just optional. Now, transfer the Mayo Garlic Dip to a serving bowl. You can add cheese or sprinkling some dried chili flakes or hot chili. Presenting my version of Kangkong Chips Nachos with Mayo Garlic Dip. Thanks for tuning in to this episode. Here at Delicious Cravings, it's all about spreading love through food, so no hate, just love. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy cooking!